While the content of this video has been reviewed by a certified student loan professional, it is for educational purposes only. Please take a moment to read the disclaimer. Now, onto the video. Today, we'll teach you the two main strategies to save money on student loans. The first strategy is to pay it off and minimize interest. The second strategy is to pay as little as possible and pursue forgiveness. In this video, we will explain the pros and cons of each strategy, and in part 2, we'll walk you through some case studies. The first strategy is for borrowers with private or federal loans who intend to pay them off in the way we conventionally think of paying off loans, that is, monthly payments until the balance is zero. If you have private loans, you may not have the option to pursue forgiveness. And if you have federal loans, it may make sense for you to not pursue forgiveness if your annual income is more than your loan balance. In those cases, you may want to lower your interest rate through refinancing. Generally, student loans can be refinanced multiple times without fees, so if you want to pursue this strategy, make sure to shop around for good rates. Federal borrowers need to be careful with refinancing though, because once you make your federal loans into private loans through refinancing, you will lose the benefits available through federal student loan programs, like loan forgiveness. Generally, if you intend to pay off your loans and want to save as much as possible, you should pursue a lower interest rate. The second strategy, to pay as little as possible, is for federal student loan borrowers. Federal student aid offers different repayment plans and programs that may lead to forgiveness of your loans. If you pursue forgiveness of your federal loans in the most optimal, income-driven repayment plan for your situation, you may pay significantly less than if you paid the loan off in a conventional way. The path to forgiveness may be uncomfortable for some, since you may see your loan balance grow over your repayment term, which could be up to 25 years, and you might owe taxes on the amount of loans forgiven. It's important to run projections for the total cost and understand what your forgiveness scenario looks like. Because even with the possible taxation at the end, it could cost you much less in the long run than if you paid your loan off in the standard way. If there's one core concept to take away from this video, it is that if you intend to get your loans forgiven, try to minimize your monthly payments and not necessarily your interest rate. To learn more, check out our other videos, and look out for our next one, where we will go over how these strategies play out and a borrower could potentially save $300,000. Student loans can be super complicated. Always consult with a financial advisor who specializes in student loan planning, such as a certified student loan professional, who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.